Hello guys, I'm Kiri, welcome back to my channel. Today we want to talk about this very beautiful Italian sports car, ALFA ROMEO 2600 Sprint Coupe. This car was from the ALFA ROMEO series Tipo 106 and was the flagship model with 6-cylinder engine produced from 1962 to 1968. In total, ALFA ROMEO made 11,346 cars, but they were different body styles. So from the car what we have here today, this specific two-door Sprint Coupe, they made only 6,999 cars. The designer of this beauty, of course, was the very famous Italian designer Giorgetto Giugiaro at Bertone. So, how we said, this was the top Alfa Romeo flagship model and was actually the executive car with classic configuration, front, longitudinally mounted 6-cylinder inline engine, 5-speed manual gearbox and rear-wheel drive. The Alfa Romeo 2600 was introduced at the 1962 Geneva Motor Show in all three versions, sedan, coupe and convertible. Now we want to talk about this specific car, the two-door version Sprint Coupe. The wheelbase of the car is 2 meter 580 mm, the car is long 4 meter 580 mm and is wide 1 meter 706 mm. The weight of the car is approximately 1,250 kilograms. You can see here on the front wing the badge 2600 and then the other badge Bertone, the very famous Italian designer, car designer Bertone. So the engine for this model was brand new as well. Was all aluminium and how we said 2.6 liters, 2584 cc, 6-cylinder inline with 3 twin-choke carburetor Solex and producing 145 horsepower. Just for reference, the sedan was with 2 carburetors and producing 130 horsepower. The maximum speed of this beauty was exactly 200 km per hour or 120 miles per hour. The car actually is very beautiful, but was not very successful, especially the Berliner and the convertible. The sales of these two variants were very poor. Just the coupe, the Sprint version, what we have here today, was a bit more successful, with near 7,000 cars have been produced. On the same time, the small Alfa Romeo model Giulia was very successful. The Giulia with the Fiat 124 were the mass-produced cars back on the day in Italy. You can see them basically in every corner. The sales were very poor was because the model was actually very expensive. Alfa Romeo always been a little bit expensive car, but the technology was actually new. How we said, the brand new all-aluminium 6-cylinder engine with 3 carburetors, the twin overhead camshafts, the excellent modern suspension, the beautiful expensive interior inside as well. So was very beautiful car, that's why it was a little bit expensive. Big number of the coupe and sprint versions were using by the Italian police. So the Italian police, they bought very big number of this Alfa Romeo Sprint Coupe with the 2 doors because the Italian police actually, or how they call it, the Carabinieri, they was using the car for the autostrada in Italy to pursue the cars on the motorway, because the car actually was very fast, how we said 200 km per hour back on the day, 1962. On that time in Italy there were many gangs, many robberies, many thieves, and everyone knows the Italian movie, The Italian Job. So on that time it was a little bit dangerous in Italy, that's why the police bought these very fast cars. So they're gonna pursue the gangs on the motorway. So actually they need to catch with faster cars, and this was the Alfa Romeo Sprint 2600. The car was not very stable in the corners because of the heavy engine, the 6-cylinder heavy engine on the front, and was a little bit heavy of course on the front. Was not that nimble, but how we said, was very fast on the straights. We have to say about the design, of course. The Berliner, it's not that attractive at all. This was the other reasons why the sales were very poor. But the Sprint Coupe, the car what we have here today, which was made by Giorgetto Giugiaro at Carrozzeria Bertone was very beautiful. How you can see from any angle the car is very beautiful. Of course, how you can see now, even today, the car is just amazing. Just have a look. The front side of the car is very aggressive with these four lights and the emblem, the specific Alfa Romeo emblem on the front, the grille. Just very aggressive, very beautiful car. Actually, this was the first major project for the Giorgetto Giugiaro. He made awesome arts, absolutely amazing art, like Maserati Bora, Maserati Ghibli, Maserati Merak, Isu Grifo, De Tomaso Mangusta. Even he made the design of the Volkswagen Golf 1, the original Mark 1 Volkswagen Golf, BMW M1 as well, even DeLorean, Lotus Esprit as well, and many others. The other reason the car wasn't that stable on the road was because the tires, they were very small actually. All four tires, they were only, the size of the tires only 165 by 400. 400 actually is the metric system, the diameter, sorry, the diameter of the tire, which is near 16 inch. But 165 actually is very narrow tires. So the small Alfa Romeo Giulia was with 155, but was very light car, and this was actually heavy car back on the day, 1,250 kilograms, and with these small tires, 165. Of course, how you can see here, the tires 165 by 400. How I said, the 400 is the diameter of the tire, which is in millimeters, so it's metric system. That's why this is the other reason why the car wasn't that stable on the road. But anyway, it was very fast, 200 kilometers per hour or 120 miles per hour on the straight line. Just amazing. Just have a look from the side, the design. This is the first, how I said, the major first project of Giorgetto Giugiaro. And then just he made another amazing designs, and the backside as well. It's very beautiful with this chrome bumper from side to side as well. The lights are very small on the back, but actually they suit very nice. And the boot is something similar to actually Aston Martin DB4, DB5 model. The boot of the car, just have a look with this square number plate on the back of the car, and on the top of the boot is of course the 2600 and the Alfa Romeo badge. The antenna is on the rear left wing. Actually, the car was equipped originally with radio, of course, as well. How I said, this was expensive model. And from this corner as well, the car, just have a look, is very aerodynamic, efficient, of course. Two doors, so it's frameless. Very beautiful design, absolutely amazing. This was amazing job for Giorgetto Giugiaro. Just have a look from the side, the door, how I said, the glasses. Actually, the car has lots of glasses, so the visibility from inside probably is amazing. It's perfect. You can see everything absolutely nice and clear. Also with two mirrors outside. And the front wing, of course, is very beautiful. Just have a look how the lights are integrated in the front grille, and then the wings, just very beautiful. And you can see this line on top of the rear wing, on top of the rear tire. Just amazing car, amazing design. 1962. This was even before this. Actually, 1962 is the same year with the Ferrari 250 GTO. But just have a look how I think this is more advanced design. It's more beautiful. Just have a look from this view, of course, as well. The front grille of the car is aggressive, but on the same time is very beautiful. Something amazing on this car. Actually, all the Italian designs from 1960s, 70s, even 80s, they're very beautiful. And this coupe on the boot, on the bonnet actually, is to cool in the engine on top of the radiator. The number plate, of course, like most of the Alfa Romeo, is on the left side of the car, it's not on the middle. How you can see, this is typical for Alfa Romeo model. of the models actually, and the indicators are integrated in the front bumper. And the front bumper, of course, as well is chromed, very beautiful. But just for a moment, just have a look at the front side of the car. Absolutely beautiful, amazing car. Just to watch this car is enough. It's very beautiful, very powerful. 145 horsepower, 200 kilometers per hour or 120 miles per hour. Just amazing. So guys, I hope you like the video about this beautiful Italian Alfa Romeo 2600 Sprint Coupe. If you like, please subscribe my channel and see you next time, guys. Bye.